Imagine standing in front of your closet and realizing that with just a few key pieces, you could build endless outfits that not only reflect your personality, but also stay effortlessly in tune with the latest trends. Welcome back to episode 4 of our style series, where today we're diving into the ultimate outfit guide. A powerful mix of timeless essentials and 2025's hottest fashion trends. And trust me, this episode is going to completely shift how you look at your wardrobe. Because, let's be honest, fashion can feel overwhelming one. Seasoned skinny jeans are out. Then, suddenly, they're back. Oversized blazers are everywhere. And Dan T even get me started on the rapid cycling of micro-trends on TikTok, but here's the secret. You, Dan T, need to chase every trend to look stylish. You need to know which essentials form the backbone of your style, and how to weave in modern touches that make you look fresh, confident, and completely on point. So let's start with the foundation. Timeless staples like a crisp white shirt, perfectly fitted. Jeans, a versatile blazer, neutral sneakers, and of course the little black dress or black trousers that can transition from day to night with ease. These are not just clothing. They're investments, pieces that never go out of style and save you from those "I have nothing to wear" mornings, and the magic begins when you layer today's trends over these basics. For 2025, we're seeing oversized tailoring. Bold pops of color inspired by dopamine dressing, metallic accents, and accessories that scream personality. Think chunky statement belts, sculptural earrings, or futuristic sunglasses. Now imagine pairing your timeless white button-down with a metallic skirt, or elevating your black blazer by layering it over a colorful mesh top. Suddenly, you're not just wearing clothes, you're creating looks that say something about who you are. And this is where styling tricks come in. Rolling up sleeves, half-tucking shirts, mixing textures like silk with denim, or balancing oversized with fitted pieces. Small changes with massive impact. And these are the moves that transform a simple outfit into a runway-worthy moment in your everyday life. Now, before we go deeper, I want to pause for a second and share something really special with you. Because I know many of you watching struggle with confidence when it comes to style, especially if you Dan T fit the typical fashion body type that the industry often highlights. And that's why I created my ebook, Style Secrets for Every Body. Dress with confidence at any size. It's not just a guide, it's a confidence toolkit that teaches you how to love the skin you're in while mastering the art of dressing for your body shape. And I highly encourage you to check it out, because pairing these styling strategies with body confidence hacks is the ultimate formula for looking and feeling amazing. So the link is in the description below. Miss it? Now, back to trends, because 2025 isn't just about bold statements. It's also about sustainability and mindful fashion. Meaning you don't need a massive wardrobe to be stylish. You need the right capsule collection. A structured blazer in a neutral tone. Wide leg trousers that elongate your frame. A set of quality basics like tank tops and bodysuits. And then maybe 2 to 3 trend-driven pieces that refresh your look each season. For example, add a metallic bag, a bright-colored knit, or futuristic sneakers. And suddenly, your classic essentials feel brand new. And this approach doesn't just save money, it makes you a smarter, more intentional shopper. Another powerful trick is blending old with new. Say you've got a vintage denim jacket, pair it with modern cargos or parachute pants. Or take a minimalist slip dress and throw on a trending oversized bomber. The result is a unique, personalized style that feels effortless, but looks like you really thought it through. And here is a truth many people don't realize. Style isn't about owning the trendiest pieces. It's about styling what you already have in a way that feels fresh and true to your accessories. Your confidence and your creativity are the real game changers. So in this video, I want you to start thinking not just about buying new clothes, but about mastering the art of combining layering, and accessorizing, because the most stylish people are not the ones who buy the most, they're the ones who style the best. And as we wrap this up, let me leave you with a challenge. Tomorrow, pick one timeless piece from your wardrobe. Maybe that plain white tee or your classic black jeans, and style it in a new way by adding one bold trend element. Even if it's just a bright scarf or oversized sunnies, and see how it changes not only your outfit, but how you feel. Because fashion at its core is not about rules, it's about expression. And when you align timeless essentials with trends that spark joy, you create a personal style that is powerful, lasting, and uniquely yours. If this episode gave you some inspiration, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more episodes in this series. And drop a comment sharing your favorite outfit, combo, or trend you're re-excited to try this year. D love to hear from you. And remember, your style is your story, so make it unforgettable.